Hi friends, welcome back. So today let's talk about have, has and have been, has been. Let's start. I have a bottle. I have a bottle. What do you mean by that? I possess this bottle. This bottle is mine. ഇത് എൻ്റെ ബോട്ടിലാണ്. ഇത് എൻ്റെ ബോട്ടിലാണ്. ये मेरा bottle है. ये मेरा bottle है. So we use have when we want to indicate that something is yours and you have it. You have it in possession. Then we say have. Right? Now what if it is she? She has. She has a bottle. He has a bottle. With he, she or it we use has. And with I, we, you and all other plural pronouns and plural nouns we use have. H-A-V-E. Moving on. Let's talk about have and has as linking or helping verbs. Linking verbs means they will be helping a main verb. The main verb cannot stand on its own, so they need a linking verb. What does it link? It links the subject with the verb. Now let's look at this conversation. The lost keys. Why are you breaking the door? I have lost my keys. That's why I am breaking the door. Oh, where did you lose it? I think I lost it at the fair last night. Oh, I have been losing keys ever since I moved here. Let's pick some sentences. I have lost my keys. Here, the person doesn't know when he lost it and where he lost it. Especially the time, he doesn't know. He knows that now, as a result of losing those keys, he has to break the door. He has to break the door as he lost his keys in the past. So, if the cause of the present action has roots in the past, we can use present perfect tense. Mostly, we can use it when we are not very mindful about the time at which the event had happened. It can be because we have forgotten when it happened, or it is not important as of now. The formula used is very simple here. Subject plus our linking verb, have or has, plus the main verb in past participle form, or also known as V3. V1 present, V2 past, V3 past participle. Lose, lost, lost. Let's move on to one more example. Mom, I have studied hard for the exams. Let me watch some TV now. I have studied. The boy had studied hard in the near present. As a result of studying hard, what is he doing now? He is watching TV and it is now, in the present. That's why we use have there. Moving on, the next sentence. I lost it at the fair last night. Here I have used simple past lost because the time of losing the keys has been clearly mentioned. That's why we use simple past when you indicate the time in past precisely. That is last night. Now moving on to the last sentence of the same conversation. I have been losing keys ever since I moved here. What is he saying? He's saying that from the starting point, what is our starting point? The time he moved here until now, he has been losing keys. He has been. It is a continuous process. Okay? Every time he takes the keys, he loses it. Yes? So, it's a continuous process and we use have been plus the ing form of the verb to indicate something has been going on from past to the present. that is now. Now, for instance, he has been staying here for 2 years, for instance. He can also say that I have been losing keys for 2 years. So when you talk about the duration, we say for, and when you talk about the starting point from where everything started, we use since. I have been losing keys ever since I moved here. It's a continuous process and the starting point is indicated there. What is the starting point? The time when he shifted or moved. This form is called as present perfect continuous. Continuous as ing form of the verb is used, and the formula is subject plus linking verb has or have plus been, B-E-E-N, been, plus main verb in its present participle. This time it is not past participle, it is present participle form, and it is called as the present perfect continuous tense. I know it's a bit advanced, but then you can use it in your daily conversations and sound more effective and more fluent in English. As an example for the same form, I have been working really hard since I started my YouTube channel. I have been working. Since the day I started my YouTube channel till now, I have been working hard. Now it's your turn. Give me an example of present perfect and present perfect continuous in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, stay calm, stay at home, stay healthy, have fun.